Make your brother laugh.
Make your brother laugh.
Please. Giovanni. Please. That's Sophia's.
Gotta wait for Monday night.
Where's
If you fall down, you're gonna bump your nose.
Where's Andreo's chair? Right there? Can you make Andreo laugh? Can you make him laugh? Can you make him laugh first?
And make him laugh first. Make him. Can you make him?
You want Andreo to sit there?
You want him on the red? Want to put him on the red one? Yeah. The red. Ah!
Okay, now make him laugh in his chair.
Okay. Well,
Make him laugh. Come on, do it to Andreo. Andreo.
Yeah, sit down.
You sit over here. You sit over here. You sit over here. Next to Andreo.
Aww.
Oh, look at that.
Careful. You can leave your shoes on.
No, it's okay. Don't take off your shoes.
Giovanni, look at mommy. Look at mommy. You gotta take them off.
Socks dirty.